Hey guys, I was thinking about making some hamburger soup today. We have 50-degree weather outside. It's nice. It's still cold. There's snow on the ground. So soup sounds amazing. Let's do some hamburger soup. I'm gonna go ahead and get this in the crock pot and let it cook all day long to let the flavors blend and all that. We are gonna need a tablespoon of olive oil, a pound of ground beef. We're gonna need to dice a full onion, 3 potatoes, peel and diced. It calls for 4 cups of frozen mixed vegetables. So I was just gonna do these peas and carrots and then these mixed veggies. And then I have this bag of corn left. I was just gonna throw that in. You need 3 garlic cloves, which I have already in here. It's so super easy to just buy this instead of chopping it yourself. This lasts in the fridge for quite a while. Super handy. We need 4 cups of beef broth. We need 1 14.5 ounce can of diced tomatoes. Italian seasoning. 1 teaspoon of that, and then salt and pepper to taste. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these potatoes chopped up, peeled, the onion chopped, and then brown the ground beef. So let's get this ground beef broken up, browning. I'm so excited for this soup. I've been meaning to make it all week, but time has not allowed. It is time. Looking good. A good tip when cutting up onions, get a washcloth so it's wet, pretty wet. Set it next to your cutting board and it will absorb the oniony scent that makes tears run down your face. Get these up, get these added to the potatoes I just put into the crock pot. This is like super easy recipe, guys. Pop it into the crock pot before work in the morning, let it simmer all day. You literally will have a ready meal for you when you get home in the evening. I have 3 children. I am running here and there literally constantly, so I love this. See? Tear-free. Okay, so this hamburger is browning nicely. Get ready to throw this in here shortly. We have the onions and potato in the crock pot already. Let's go ahead and dump the 14.5 ounce can of tomatoes in. Very good. Go ahead and do the 3 garlic cloves here, which I'm going to just use. Let's see. A tablespoon for. All right, so 1, 2, 3. Put all those frozen mixed veggies in there, and then the 4 cups of beef broth. Get the 4 cups of that beef broth added in. Let's take you guys over here. Okay. 4 cups. These things always make such a mess. Okay, squeeze. Alrighty, 2, almost 2. We're gonna call that good. And that is everything, I believe, except for the ground beef, which is still a little pink in some spots, but it will cook. It'll finish cooking in the crock pot, so it's not a big deal. Just get all this added. And we should be good. I did not need to drain that because it was 93% lean. So here we are. There's everything in there except for the salt and pepper, which I will add when it's time to eat a little bit later. And give that a nice stir. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited for this. I remember eating this as a child. This was something that I looked forward to. Super good, super hearty, super healthy, super quick. Can't go wrong with this one. Alrighty, so let's get the lid on here. I am getting this started a little late. I had to get my boys to taekwondo this morning. So I did not have time to get this in before we left. So I'm gonna cook this on high for a couple hours and then I'll drop it to low and it should be good to eat around, let's see, it's noon now, probably 5, 6 o'clock. I just wanted to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed what you saw today. Let me know, make the recipe, let me know what you think of it. This is my first cooking YouTube video, so I'm hoping to get better from here on out. But thanks for taking the time to watch, like, and subscribe.